Artificial intelligence, we all know about it, mostly used in the present world of technology. AI, in short, it is called AI. It's a machine technology, it's not human technology, but it's made by human and is used by human. And it's a smart technology called human-like thinking. It can think like human, but it can work like human. Everything is automated in this system. You will search something and you will get it automatically. And the system is mainly run by computer. In this system, computers are used. So in the digital world, people are digitally connected with everyone through internet and webs. And also, people are dependent on the digital technology, digital media, intelligent machine. So the innovations of technology, innovations of artificial intelligence has made it very easy for anyone to search anything, to get any information easily, and it can be used in every sector. So now let me give you some examples where we can use AI or artificial intelligence and which sectors are being used. For example, smartphone applications. In our smartphones, we find different AI applications like uh, we have Gemini, we have ChatGPT. We can use it very easily to search anything. It can also help us to be voice assistant. You can change your voice. You can make a new voice through the use of AI technology. And also face recognition. People can use it for recognition of faces. For example, it can ensure security system. For example, in your mobile phone, you can use it, face recognition system. People are also using it their home. They are making a smart home. For example, they are in their door, they have used a face recognition system. So anyone new here will be detected very easily. And that's how they are making their home smart. Self-driving car. Many of you have heard about it. The cars are being driven without any driver. So self-driving cars are used in developed countries, developed worlds, not in our country, but it's very possible that in future, near future, in our country, there will be some self-driving car also. The car is driving without any drivers. Think about it. Very interesting one, right? An online search engine that is very much popular for everyone in our daily life. We search different things. We need different information, different data. We can search it in online, and it can be given. We can get it in a second, right? In a second, not in a minute. In a second. Besides, artificial intelligence is also being used in navigation system. For example, for running a airplane, and for running a ship, artificial intelligence or AI is being used. So in every sector, I hope almost in all sectors, we can use artificial intelligence. For example, we can use it in the healthcare system to detect different uh, symptoms of diseases, and in education system to spread our education very easily, to teach the students, to spread the knowledge among the young, among the old, in every sector, in every case. In banking system, AI is being used. In agriculture, AI is being used to get more production. Industry, in industry, robots are working with human, and sometimes they are working better than human and very quickly than the human. See, in security system, it's mostly used, and in customer service, for example, in the developed countries, AI robots are being used uh, to serve the products of to serve the products to the customers. An e-commerce system, mostly e-commerce is totally dependent on AI, because artificial intelligence can suggest us which thing we need to buy, and also which things we have to buy, and which thing we can get easily. So AI is being used to in these sectors of e-commerce to sell their products in online, and also to brand a new product in online. So in every sector, in fact, I can say almost all the sectors, all the fields in our daily life were being used artificial intelligence. Now we'll talk about advantages. And we know everything has some advantages and also disadvantages. We'll talk both about it. So artificial intelligence mostly has some advantages that we have already talked about. It can save our time. For example, if we search our information in a book or in a magazine, it will take a lot of time, but you can search it in a second, just searching in the Google or ChatGPT. That it saves a lot of time. It also increases efficiency of the workers, of the students, and reduce human error. You know, man makes a different error. Man is not out of error, so they can make different error. They can make some error, but in AI technology, artificial intelligence, it makes less error than man. Yeah, sometimes it can make also mistake, but mostly we can say it can make less mistake than the human makes, and it can work faster. That's the most important thing, that it can work faster than the human being, and it can be available in 24/7. That means, for example, if you hire a person, that will be for a certain amount of time, certain period of time, for 8 hours, for 10 hours. But if you if you buy a robot that can work 24/7, so that is totally available for every second, every minute. So it improves accuracy. Obviously, it improves accuracy, and it can handle large data. For example, finding a large data, to get information from a large data, people or human being may need 24 hours, but it can be done only in 2 seconds or 2 minutes by a human, by artificial intelligence. So handling about large data, it can help us very easily, and it can help us to make decisions. That means in our decision making, it can help us. For think about you are thinking about to make any decision, you can search it and you can take help from AI. They will tell you how to do and what to do. It can also be cost effective. Already have said that, because it can reduce the amount of labor. It can reduce the amount of time. For example, doing any work may for a human being it may need 24 hours, but for an AI it will be just two minutes work. So it will definitely be cost effective, and obviously it will be better productivity. It will ensure better productivity. That's the thing we can get from AI. But AI is not out of disadvantages. Everything has some advantages and little disadvantages. It also has some disadvantages. What about it? That is job loss. That means people are nowadays they are afraid of losing their jobs. And in many statistics, we can see that human being will lose about 30% to 40% of their job sectors because of artificial intelligence or AI. And people will be more dependent on machines. Some scientists and some researchers are saying that artificial intelligence are reducing the productivity and human activity, and sometimes the activity of brain. But it also ensures that they are being more dependent on machine. Sometimes privacy issues are being hampered, because in online sector, privacy is nothing matter, because you cannot hide anything on online or AI. So data security and privacy issues may be a bad side or concern of AI technology. And sometimes it can be costly for a lower income country like us, for underdeveloped countries like us. It can be highly costly because we do not have enough technology to produce them by ourselves. We have to buy these machines, we have to buy this technology from the outside countries. So it can be costly. But if we can ensure the production of these products in our country, of these machines in our country, that will be very easy. But until or unless we can do that, that will be some high costly or cost that will not that will be a bit costly, right? And lack of emotions. Human beings have emotions, but machines or AI do not have any emotions. They cannot think about human being. They cannot feel the emotions. So there's lack of emotions, some ethical issues maybe, a matter of concern because they have no ethical values, because machine cannot think about man. They have no ethics. They are given command and they can work by it. And they the work that work by the basis of the command given by it, given by the operator. So ethical issues is a concern. Cyber threat maybe another issue of cyber threat can be in great concern of AI technology because nowadays the hackers are using it in different sectors, banking sectors, in financial sectors. The hackers are hacking the websites and they are making a threat, cyber threat. We obviously know people use technology. People can use the technology in both way, positive way and negative way. But in our country, mostly we see people are using it, misusing it. That means they are using it in a negative way. That's the bad thing. That's a thing of concern. The employment risk, I have already said that people will lose 30 to 40% of their job sectors if AI, artificial or AI technology is completely produced, completely introduced in our country. So there is issue of high risk of losing their jobs and unemployment problems. So these are the things we can say AI has some has some advantages and also has some disadvantages. But if we use it for a for a better thing, for we can we can ensure ethical use of AI, and if we can control human being, that we should use it for the better thing, for the beneficial things of human being, and if we can ensure transparency, if we can ensure accountability of the users of the AI technology, and if we can ensure safety, fairness or safety, and government can also make some regulations and rules to ensure the secured use of AI technology. In all, in concluding all the things, including all the things, human values is mostly important to ensure a better use of AI technology. So these are the things we have to say about